Aloha, Onpassive family. This is the changed poem, original from our founder Renata from Grgic. I have received the allowance from her to change it and share it with my voice with you. Please open up your heart space and listen from within. This Onpassive world is wonderful only if you see it. This Onpassive life is great only if you feel it. Open your heart, open your mind, open your soul. Onpassive will help to reach your goal. Onpassive will help to reach your goal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Blessing upon blessing to all of you. Love.